All right, this one should be a pretty quick one. We've actually extended our stay across the Balkans, so this will be the last of our videos from the Balkans. If you've been keeping up with our Airbnb videos, I appreciate that, and I'll get to the point. We just got here. We actually hired a car, and he dropped us right off at our apartment, which was awesome. And it's just a little tiny studio, so let's get at it. So right when you come in the door, there's just a nice little spot to sit and throw off your shoes. And then just next to that is the restroom. This is actually a really clean bathroom in consideration to some of the other ones we've experienced along the way in the Balkans. But the lovely thing about this one is there's a tub, and it's a really nice tub. So if you're like me or Rachel, who's probably looking forward to soaking in a bath, since we haven't had the opportunity to experience that in a while, then that's a plus. We got a washer there, so we can wash our clothes before we head home. Looks like some soaps and stuff, and a hair dryer for the ladies, or anyone for that matter. Just inside the door here, looks like there's some storage space and a bunch of pamphlets, which is great. It's always good to know about some different things to do. Sorry about that. Here's the bed. Looks like there's some slide out storage under there, and there's our boots just kind of tossed there. Sorry. We just walked in and kind of crammed everything in that wardrobe over there in the corner. The room itself is nice. Everything's very clean. There's the bed, like I said. Looks like an air conditioning unit. I haven't got to fiddle with that yet, but maybe some type of AC unit. Like I said, the wardrobe, and then a little table here to eat. Looks like Rachel's digging through the guest book and little map they have there. I don't have those open, but I'm assuming it's just kind of like another view like there. The unit has a oven and a stovetop, which is great. A little microwave in case you want to nuke something, and then a little sink to rinse your dishes. And then I'm assuming we've got the different types of cups and pots and pans and stuff there. But yeah, little tiny spot. I think looks like we got some type of cable TV, and we definitely have the Wi-Fi and stuff that we know of. And then here's a really nice view of the sea here, which is great. It's actually a beautiful day today out here. It's nice and warm. It's got to be in the 70s, I'd say, today. Man, it's gorgeous. But yeah, thanks for watching. A little view of this little unit here. We're just here for a couple days, so we didn't go for a very big unit. If you are unfamiliar with Airbnb, I'll add in the link, a discount code that'll allow you upon sign up and your first booking to get a credit, basically. And then also, I will put the link for this unit so you can check for current pricing of the dates that you would want to stay. Forgive me. And thanks for watching. Yeah.